Let me show you two different ways how to connect your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 to your Windows computer or laptop. So the first way is if you simply open your case on them, with the earphones inside, you simply press and hold this button on the back of it. So you see you have one button. If you press and hold it for maybe like 4 or 5 seconds, they will start to blink like this in different colors, and to see if everything is okay, you can actually click this button here to connect to them. And then as you see, it says Bluetooth headset paired and it's ready to go, so we can start listening. So it's that easy. Okay, so what if that prompt actually doesn't appear and you can't find them? Then again, what you do is, again, you open and close them. So make sure they're open with the earbuds inside, and again simply press and hold that button to enter the pairing mode. And then on your PC or laptop, you simply go in your search and search for settings. And open the settings panel, and we want to go to the Bluetooth settings. And you see you can click add Bluetooth or other device, click Bluetooth, and again, so as long as it's blinking like this, I see you can connect to them. So you see they're paired, and again we are ready to go and we can start like listening to the music. Okay, good luck.